Salam guys and welcome, this is Kaimet Art here. I hope you're doing good, super stoked to be here with you guys. So today I'll be showing you how to draw the upper male body, or how I draw it. So first I'm gonna start by breaking down the upper body into simple shapes. So first of all, we'll draw the neck starting from the cheeks. The traps, we'll draw them in the shape of a triangle, and we'll indicate a line for the chest bones. For the shoulders, we'll draw simple circles, pretty long circles, and we'll draw the bottom line of the chest. For the arms, we draw simple lines to indicate the position. For the biceps, we draw long circles, just like shoulders. For the forearms, simple lines like the upper arm. For the next step, we're gonna be fading out the lines by slightly erasing them, so we can draw over them the real lines, the line work. Alright, so we're gonna start drawing the chest bones and the traps. The shoulders are gonna be half a circle, like half a sphere. Imagine it in a three-dimensional way. So both of the shoulders are gonna be like half a sphere. Then we start working on the chest. The chest is connected to the end of the shoulder and the start of the bicep muscle. Okay, for the abs, we draw simple spheres in the middle, somewhat squared circles. Drawing the biceps, we start from the end of the bottom of the chest muscle. Mind the position of the elbow. The forearm is constructed of two main muscles, as you can see them in the drawing. Alright, so we're gonna draw the other arm, same as the other one. Try to imagine everything in 3D, that will make it a lot more easier for you to draw. For the back muscles, the lines will be coming from behind bicep muscle. So we're going to be adding more details on the abs. Take your time adding details. We're going to make the drawing look more realistic. So the belly button should be around the third and fourth line of abs. I drew the abs first so I can imagine the length of the core. So it will be easier for me to draw the V line, as you can see here. So the next step is shading. Shading is really important if you want to make a really realistic photo. Along with firm and strong line work, it will make the drawing really pop and make that 3D effect. So first you have to imagine your light source. For us here it will be above his head, so most of the shading will be on the opposite side of the light source. Work your way slowly, adding shades and imagining everything in 3D. As you can see here, I'm strengthening the line work while adding shadows. You can imagine the shoulders as half a sphere as I told you before, but will make the shading a lot more easier for you. Try to apply the cross-hatching technique, it will make the shadows look more realistic. Darkening the shadow areas will add contrast to your work, which is gonna make it look firmer. Alright, so I'm gonna keep adding shadows, keeping in mind the source of the light. hope that you guys enjoyed this little tutorial I put together. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and why not suggest me some more tutorials to make. Until next time, stay awesome and take care. Peace out. Salam.